Let us look at data types in Java. Now, before we get into data types in Java, let us understand what we mean by data. So what exactly is data? Data is any sound that you are listening to online. Data could be a movie or a video that you are watching. Data is any program that you write. So basically, in the world of programming, everything is data and everything gets translated in the form of zeros and ones. Now, since everything is data, in order to understand a programming language, it is important to understand what are the different data types in that programming language. So we will look at the different data types in Java. Now in this particular slide, as you can see, data types are divided into two types, primitive and non-primitive data type. The focus of discussion at this point of time is going to be primitive data type. We will discuss about non-primitive data type in subsequent sections later in this course. Now primitive data type can be divided into integer, floating point, boolean and character. Now integer itself can be divided into long, int, short and byte. I'll go into details of what are the different types of integer data type, but for now just remember that there are 4 different types of integers. Now integer is like a number 0, 1, 2. So in maths we have studied what is integers. A number like 0, 1, 2, 10, 20, these are all integers. Similarly, in maths, we have also studied that there are some decimal numbers like 10.5, 1.5, 3.1. So these are all decimal numbers or floating point numbers. Now again, floating point number also has two types, which is double and float. We'll go into details of this later on in the course. But for now, remember that one of the primitive data type is floating point data type. Then we have a Boolean primitive data type. It has value true and false. Finally, the next data type is character data type. For example, A is a character, B is a character, X is a character. So these are 4 data types in Java: integer, floating point, Boolean and character. And as I have already stated, we'll get into the details of different types of primitive data type in subsequent sections in this particular course.